The winter holidays are a time for family, joy, and presents. Sadly, this holiday season, the cyber world witnessed Leakmas 2023, where a staggering 50 million records were stolen and splashed across the dark web. Threat actors got gifts instead of coal. From Peru to the Philippines, the US to Vietnam, no corner of the globe was spared. Credit card details, phone numbers, even government IDs, all laid bare for cybercriminals to feast on. It's a chilling reminder. In the cyber world, we're all interconnected, and a breach anywhere can mean danger everywhere. But here's the twist. You, yes, you, can be the hero of your own story in events like this. How? By being vigilant and proactive. Using strong passwords, multi-factor authentication, and having a keen eye for suspicious activity. These are your shields against such digital disasters. Dark web monitoring can tell you if your data was included in this widespread breach, and you can take action like changing your passwords and utilizing two-factor authentication. And remember, it's not just about protecting yourself. It's about safeguarding your workplace, your community, your world. Every cautious click, every secure password adds up to a fortress against cyber threats. So, as we step into another year, let's make a resolution to be more cyber aware, more cyber secure, because when it comes to cybersecurity, we're all in this together. And don't forget, the digital world is ever evolving, and so are its dangers. Check your inbox next week for another video short on security threats, breaking news, and tips for staying cyber secure.